In today's video, we will guide you through step 2 of creating your cloud instance inside of Moneo Cloud. So let's get started. Once your mobile IIoT account has been created, you will receive a sign-up email to create your password. Verify the email by clicking on the hyperlink. This will open up a new web page where you will set up your password. Click Confirm and it will redirect back to the mobile IIoT Suite login page. Now you can log in using the credentials you just configured. Let's review the portal's homepage. The homepage is broken up into 3 sections: Assets, Financial, and Support. The Assets section includes 3 tiles named Users, Gateways, and Moneo Cloud Instances. This is where you are able to create new users to access your mobile IIoT suite, onboard cloud devices, and create Moneo Cloud instances. The Financial section includes a tile named Contracts and Licenses. This is where all contracts and licenses can be managed. Support includes 2 tiles named Documentation and Videos. Here we upload support, documentation, and how-to videos to guide you to a smoother journey. To create a Moneo Cloud instance, you can navigate into the Moneo Cloud Instances tile and click Register Instance on the top left. This will take you to a new page that will require you to fill out information regarding the instance you are creating. First, enter the purchased QCM 100 License Activation Code, or LAC. The region of data center gives you the freedom to choose where your data will be stored. Different regions have different data privacy laws, and the closer the region is to you, the better latency you'll have. The current choices are West Europe and East US. Give your instance a name. This will help identify your instance in the mobile IIoT suite. You'll also give your instance a URL prefix. This is going to be the web URL you use to access your Moneo Cloud over the internet. Please keep in mind that this URL cannot be duplicated or modified after the registration process is complete. The Moneo user email will be your initial admin user. Now accept the terms and conditions. Now that all fields have been populated, the validity of the LAC must be checked by selecting the orange check button on the bottom right. This process is verifying that your LAC is valid for a Moneo Cloud subscription. A pop-up with the LAC details will be displayed if the code has passed the validation process. For the final step, click Register to initiate the creation of your instance. Congratulations! You've registered your first instance. You can view the summary of the details or close out of the message to be redirected to the home page of the Moneo Cloud Instances tile. On the home page, you can see the status of your registered instance. We can see this instance is still being created because it's in the initializing state. On the bottom right of the page, you can turn on auto refresh to see live updates of the status. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products, or contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.